Welcome to OSHWLab. Today, we're bringing you an amazing project. Let's take a closer look. This project is a DIY voice-controlled assistant and mini companion robot built around the ESP32S3. It supports wake word detection and voice commands, allowing you to control devices or even drive a small tank robot. The system uses an ICE microphone for voice input and ADAC for clear audio output. An onboard RGB LED provides visual feedback, while a web dashboard allows real-time monitoring of wake words and commands. The project has been shared on OSHWLab. More excellent projects await your sharing.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.